Unit 5, Mid-Unit Retake. Calculator should not be used. Question 1. Which estimate is closest to the actual value of 3.99548 times 2.8342? A. 11.5, B. 13.3, C. 10.8, D. 12.2. Question 2. For part of a science task, Bart adds 0.35 milliliters of dye to 9.3 milliliters of water. How many milliliters does the mixture contain? A. 9.65, B. 9.353, C. 12.8, D. 9.6. Question 3. Write true or false for each. Which expressions are greater than 5? A. 2.47 plus 1.2. B. 4.12 plus 0.8902. C. 5.23 minus 0.72. D. 6.392 minus 1.391. E. 7.309 minus 2.4. Question 4. 4 runners are training for long races. Jan ran 6.37 miles, Bobby ran 4.2 miles, Marcia ran 8.04 miles, and Peter ran 6 miles. A. What is the total running distance of the 4 runners? B. Marcia ran how much farther than Jan? Question 5. One way to compute a 15% tip for a bill is to multiply it by 0.15. A restaurant bill was $35.40. A. Calculate the tip. B. Explain your reasoning in detail. Number 6A. Find the product. 0.034 times 0.83. B. Find the difference. 1 minus 0.5839. Number 7. 2 students have different ways to calculate 0.75 times 0.088 as a decimal. A. Find the product. B. Show in detail how each student might compute this product. Elena says, I find 75 times 88 and then move the decimal point. Diego says, 0.75 is the same as 3/4, so I found 3/4 of 0.044.